Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abby Jacobs, and on today's update video I'll be giving you guys a new DePIN airdrop that you guys can start right now, and also to show you the latest news on the Nodepay Nodecoin token that we've been mining so far. But before I get into this content, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, in one of my past videos, I told you guys that Nodepay was going to be launching this previous Monday, but however, that was just an hasty announcement by BitGet, but it was proven to be false because the team themselves never actually agreed to this date. However, this week, the team announced that the Nodepay is going to be launching officially on the 14th of January 2025. So guys, in correction to my previous video that I told you guys that the Nodepay will be launching on 6th of January, it has now been officially announced by the team on January 14th around 1 p.m. UTC, which is about 2 p.m. WAT for us African time. Now, so far the season 2 allocation is still running. The allocations or the tokens for season 2 has not been officially disclosed for now, so we are still waiting for further announcements for the team to announce for us to go back to our dashboard and check our season 2 allocations. However, season 3 is still ongoing right now, so if you still want to farm Nodepay, you can still go to the description box and you check through the link. You see the Nodepay link over there, so you guys, you copy it, go to the Kiwi browser or your Measles browser, you download the extension, you register, and you start farming Node coins from there. Remember, the airdrop is coming from season 0, season 1, and season 2, and while we are still waiting for our season 2 allocation, the season 0 and season 1 are already available. So we just need to wait for the season 2 to accumulate with the rest, and from there we deposit Solana into our wallet, and then we send to exchanges to sell. So please guys, don't miss out. This is just the beginning. You can still catch on to season 3 of this particular project. So please, if you are watching this video, if you are interested, make sure you do that by going to the description link and you start farming this. So that is the updates on Nodepay for now. So when the season 2 allocations are out, I will update you guys as well. So now let's go to the DePIN project that I want you guys to start farming today right now. So this particular project also follows the same way as Nodepay, Grass, Dawn, and every other DePIN mining project that we are farming. And as you guys can see, this project has been able to raise about $2 million with a round evaluation of about $30 million. And their investors are OKX Ventures, UB Capital, Pizzo Ventures, Kacha VC. Now, this project, being that they've been able to raise this particular amount, and also that OKX has also invested in this project, I really say it is really worth mining this particular token. Now, let me head over to my Measles browser and show you guys how you are going to farm this particular project. Now, this is the dashboard for the multiple extensions. So if you are interested in farming this, make sure you first go to the description link and then you copy this, you register. You need to connect your MetaMask wallet. So you make sure you also have your MetaMask extension already installed in your Kiwi browser or your Mrs. browser. And as you guys can see right here, I already have my own MetaMask extension. You'll be needing to connect your MetaMask wallet before you can start running the node on this project. So the two things you are going to need first is that you are going to download the MetaMask extension from Chrome Web Store, and upon connecting your wallet and registering on this particular platform, you are also going to download the multiple network extension as well. So it's a very simple process, just like every other DePIN project I've been sharing with you guys so far. Register with the link in the description, download the extension, and just keep using your browser normally as you've always done. Now that is it for this particular update. So if you are interested once more, please go to the description box, mine these two DePIN projects, Nodepay and multiple, and any more further updates I'll also be sharing it to you guys on my channel as well. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.